I'm Miriam. I am the emotional well-being coordinator at Blake Street, and this is my daughter.
Hi, my name's Emery, and I used to be a preschool at Friend Center.
So here is our favorite book we want to read, one of our favorites. Pete the Cat.
I love my white shoes. Art by James Dean, creator of Pete the Cat. Story by Eric Litwin. Let's see what Pete the Cat says about his white shoes. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loves his white shoes so much, he sang this song.
Can you sing with us?
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Oh, no.
Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes?
Let's see. What color do you think it turned his shoes?
Red! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What do you think? Blue? Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome! I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes.
Oh. Pete also has a blue
umbrella and a cute little yellow chick.
Why is he using that umbrella?
Because it's raining.
Oh, he wants to stay dry.
Because cats don't like water.
Oh no!
Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. Yuck. What color did it turn his shoes?
What color do you think?
Brown? Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes.
Pete must be warming up after that wet rain. What is in that cup?
Looks like something hot.
Oh no!
Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown and all the blue and all the red washed away. What color did it turn his shoes again?
Let's see.
White. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Squeak, squeak, squeak. That's the sound his shoes made.
You see? Squeak.
The moral of Pete's story was, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good.
The end.
Bye, everybody.
I miss you all, and I love you very much, and I can't wait till we're together again.
Bye.